Hello again from Simon Eyebreath Hart in my garden. Today I want to talk about the quality of gardening, not the quantity, which is the commercial principle. Make as much produce as you can, or produce as much as you can, sell as much as you can, get as much money as you can. And to hell with everything else. Of course, that's not a sustainable principle. Just about anybody really can know that, does know that. Even the commercial farmers probably, they would really understand that. So here in the garden, you go around, you're weeding, right? Weeding. Now, most people use a poison, don't they? Not so in your own garden. You're not going to go around doing that, killing. No. So, because you only have a few trees, only enough to sustain your own physical existence, you and your family, whoever's living in the garden, you don't need very many trees. You don't need tractors. You don't need cherry pickers. There's so much things you don't need because it's on a small scale. It's on a personal scale. You don't need to plant your trees in nice neat rows so that you can drive harvesting machines down between them. You spread them out, you plant them. You plant them intuitively, or you can plant them aesthetically, and scientifically too, in terms of maybe acquiring shelter, catching a breeze, and so that the blossom from your plants wafts into your home while you're sitting there and enjoying the morning sunshine or something like that. These are all principles of proper gardening, home gardening, permaculture as some people call it. This is my Tahitian lime. It's got its very first fruit after 4 years of being in the ground. And I'm a bit tickled pink, as the saying goes. In here, I'm really loving that my little Tahitian lime tree, it's the only one I have, but my little Tahitian lime tree here, as you see, it's not very big, that has finally produced a fruit for me. It's a two-way relationship. It's about love. You love your plants. I love my plants. Any of us who grow a plant and look after it, water it, talk to it, extend our affection, our joy, look forward to the next leaf that might be coming out or whatever. These are all expressions of beautiful affection, and that's really what makes the world go round. Got a horse that runs around the paddock here. She's a bit of a chomper at times, so I have to put guards around some of my trees. But the citrus, she doesn't touch them, so I don't have to put guards around them. And get lots of horse shit, which of course is manure, good fertiliser, isn't it? Good soil conditioner. It all goes back in. So happy gardening. See you again from subtropical eastern Australia in the Wollumban caldera.